So I've got some really exciting news. Banjo, Heidi and I have finished doing our first round of video tutorials which run alongside our children's design competition. They are now all on YouTube, all the tutorials. We've got downloadable worksheets as well. They're all on our website, so you can just click and download them. And yeah, we're ready to go. Really excited about you guys learning about how you go on that design journey, how you start off with just an idea and how you then put it onto paper, and all the thought and the sentiment that goes behind it. Heidi's been amazing help, so thank you. And we've had a lot of fun, and who knows, I've realised there's so much to teach people when it comes to gemstones and metals. We haven't even got into the workshop yet. We'll get our goldsmith doing some demos, so there's a lot more to come as well. I would really appreciate your feedback. We have asked a lot of our friends and family to share the link to the YouTube tutorials with their schools as well. So this is like an after school club. It is going to be something fun to do, but also relatively educational as well. And what I was planning on doing throughout this term was going to schools and talk in assemblies about design and manufacture. It's something I'm very passionate about. I am an ambassador for the Basingstoke College of Technology too. I am an engineer turned jewellery designer, and I run a business, and through this business I've got the opportunity to show the whole journey from the concept, the design, all the way through to manufacture and the happy customer at the end. So I can invite young people in to see that and get involved too, which is really exciting for me. But meanwhile, during the COVID lockdown, this is a really nice way for us to feel useful and stay connected, and for you to get creative. Thank you.